Hey guys, Roger here from the Townsend team at outside one of our newest listings, and I just wanted to give you a quick view of it before it hits the market. This one here is a detached bungalow that is a legal duplex, has an apartment upstairs, apartment downstairs. Both have 3 bedrooms. Both are great rental options, can produce a lot of money if you're an investor or want to be an investor. Has a coin laundry. It's in a great neighborhood right by a school, so you have options to rent to either students, options to rent to a family. Great opportunity to make a lot of money. So let's do a quick walkthrough and you guys can see what I see so that you can determine if this is the one for you. If it's not, give me a call, 647-360-5900, and let's get you into one that is perfect for you. So here we are. This property, as I said, it is what some call a ranch bungalow, single car garage. The beauty of this one actually is it has 2 driveways, one on each side of the property. So you have this one here that is used for the tenants upstairs, and then the tenant downstairs can use the driveway on this side of the property so that each person has ample parking and is able to do what they need to do and be comfortable and not disturb one another. So let's take a quick look. Once again, if you are interested in making a purchase, getting into an investment property, your first one, let us guide you through the process. We can help you out. This one here is priced to go. Great opportunity to make a lot of money. Give me a call, 647-360-5900, and we can get you into the property. So here you have the living room for upstairs. As you can see, pot lights, gas fireplace that is there, and great big size window. So tons of natural light. Actually, this one here might not come out great on the video because of the light, but either way, you can get a gist for it. And then go on our website, see Toronto Area Homes, and you'll be able to see this one. We have the washroom here, tiled up, nice flooring. Everything is hardwood throughout the top as well. So you can see the bedrooms are very spacious. Once again, every bedroom has a window, so very, very bright. Here is the larger of all the bedrooms. As you can see, tons of space, good closet space as well. And then we'll go into the 3rd bedroom upstairs into this unit. This property could easily rent for, I would say, $2,000 a month. And a savvy investor is also going to get them to include utilities in the price. So we will now take you go see the basement, or sorry, the lower unit. But here's the kitchen first. We'll go through this. Look at this kitchen. This kitchen is absolutely gorgeous. Brand new appliances, never been used. You have a pantry surrounding the fridge. Beautiful tiles, nice and white. White is considered, but if you talk to a lot of designers, they'll say that white is a color that's called timeless because no matter what, it'll always stay in trend, to be trendy. So you can see the backsplash as well, undermount sink, absolutely gorgeous. Another great thing about this, so this kitchen is an eating kitchen. As you can see, you have the walkout to the yard. This actually has a big lot too, so we'll do that in a second. So here we have the 2nd unit. And as I mentioned, if you didn't catch, this is a legal duplex, which means you'll have no problems with the city. Here is a separate entrance for the 2nd unit. This one has also been completely renovated as well. Now here's an added bonus a lot of people don't think about. This is a coin laundry. So not only are you having money from the upstairs, from the tenants downstairs, but you have a coin laundry for enough to pay for the water to help with the bills. So here is the lower unit. Once again, completely renovated. Look at those floors, absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, large window there. So even though it's a basement, you get tons of natural light, and the tenants down here, they don't mind it. Another part of this unit that I forgot to mention is this unit has radiant heating, which basically means that the heat comes from the floors, and each unit can control their own heat. So another added bonus of this property is that your basement people don't have to worry about it being cold because they control their own heat. And once again, look at this, another brand new kitchen. This kitchen was just put in, never been used. Undermount sink, once again. This one has subway tiles for the backsplash as opposed to the other one. And we have white appliances for the basement. So this one is also a 3-bedroom unit. So we'll go over here and you have this unit here, this bedroom here, also the window. Every single bedroom has its own window. So the great thing about that, if you're worried about accessibility, people can get out of the unit if there's ever a fire. So Once again, this is a legal basement apartment, so you don't have to worry about little details to this too. You may not be able to see in the video, but you can see rounded edges on all the walls, which is a nice touch. It just gives it a nice feel when you come in. This bathroom also was completely redone. So as you can see, some beautiful tiles, the flooring. This is vinyl floor, so it goes completely throughout the unit, so you don't have to worry about any type of water or anything damaging the floors. Another undermount sink here, vanity. And then we have another two large bedrooms. This is one here. That's once again a window, so you can see all the natural light. And then we have the third bedroom that's over here. Now this is also the larger bedroom that was used by the main occupant that was here before. So there you have it, guys. This is a 3-bedroom bungalow, 3 bedrooms upstairs, 3 bedrooms downstairs, separate entrance, coin laundry. This is the perfect property if you are a wannabe investor. What we'll do now is, before we sign off, we're going to go back and we'll go to the backyard for you to see what's there. The backyard can be used for both people to enjoy. The upstairs tenant might use it more than downstairs just because they have this door here to go out from. But obviously you can share the backyard between tenants, or you know what, another thing you could do too, if you wanted to, you could live here. Live here, rent upstairs, live here, rent downstairs, and make somebody else pay your mortgage. So you can see this lot is very, very big. I believe it is 70 feet, 75 feet wide from side to side. Great property, great to play soccer in the backyard or just fool around. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Here's another shed that was built onto the property. Lots of options here. So guys, once again, if this property is something that interests you, give me a call, 647-360-5900, or better yet, if you want a faster response, send me a text at the same number, and let's get you in this property. If this is not the one for you, let's find it. Roger from the Townsend team again. We'll talk to you soon, guys. It's a busy day. We've got a few more properties, so stay tuned. We've got a couple other ones that we're going to show you today. Take care.